Hey everyone, looking to lose weight without starving yourself? In just 2 minutes, I'll give you a simple, effective weight loss diet plan that actually works. Let's get started. Step 1. Balance your plate. Your meals should be 50% veggies, 25% lean protein, and 20% healthy carbs. Think grilled chicken, quinoa, and a ton of colorful veggies. Step 2. Cut out processed junk. Processed foods are full of empty calories. Instead, go for whole, natural foods. Swap chips for nuts, soda for water, and sweets for fresh fruit. Step 33. Control portions and eat mindfully. Overeating is a big weight loss killer. Use smaller plates, chew slowly, and listen to your body when it says it's full. Step 4. Hydration is key. Water boosts metabolism and reduces hunger. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Try drinking a glass before meals to prevent overeating. Step 5. Meal prep and plan ahead. Planning your meals keeps you on track and prevents last-minute unhealthy choices. Prep your meals ahead to make healthy eating effortless. And that's it. Follow these simple steps. Stay consistent, and you'll see results in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest weight loss challenge? Subscribe for more easy health tips.